Getting plenty of skip this morning.
Roger, Mr. Sidewinder. I really do appreciate the wave on that end, my friend. Hey, Sidewinder, you take it easy, be good and be kind. Yellow Trucker said we'll talk at you later. Bye.
Almost every channel's had somebody on it at one point. Yeah. I don't know if it's the same guy, but all morning there's been an Aussie guy just talking shit all morning on 28. It's still going. I thought I'd show you this too. So I got 3 of these drawers. There's another one up on the thing there, just with glasses and stuff. Got 3 of these drawers at the dump shop for $4, and I've got a bit of 2x4 pine wood as well. So I just they had fascias on them but no handle, so knocked the fascia off, drilled some holes, had some spare handles floating around. Just knocked these up for my little drill grinding area where the compressor's going to go eventually. I'll just use some of this knocked together shelving. Just had some of that lying around, so I knocked up some runners and put a stop in so it doesn't, the drawers don't tip out. But turned out pretty good. Just need to sand them a little bit. They're still a little bit tight running in and out. And see if I've got any candles anywhere. Run some wax up and down them. So I'll just throw the shit in there now to sort it out. Actually turned out pretty well. Like, I'm not a carpenter or anything, but thought I'd get in today and try and start putting I've got a bit of what do you call it, like removalists blankets. Just use that as a bit of a soundproofing, so and try and line all this with those moving mats, cut down on the compressor sound when I finally get a new compressor. We'll see if I got enough bloody plywood to panel it all in. So there, that was good. It's just took me probably 2 days on and off, just doing other jobs and doing that on the side when I had a bit of free time, and then that way I can move that over with the drill press over there. Just need a bit more wood to knock up another frame so it can mount onto, and probably mount it a bit lower too so you can actually see into the drawer, because where it is up here it's a bit hard to see. Like, that's at eye level with me and just a bit hard to see what's in there, so I've put whatever's in that drawer in the drawers there for now. There. Just sort of post a quick one, see what else is going on. Sometimes wish this had a automatic scan. Maybe next year, hopefully buy something that's got I can do upper and lower side bands on. I was getting, I think it's 88 Maryland or 88 Maryland on Channel 8 there earlier. The Super Bowl was going off earlier this morning, but it's quieting down now. You'd think after like the last 50 years, there'd be a lot less shit talkers on there, but here we are. And it makes it hard because, like, I used to be right into radios 20 plus years ago. And, like, I want to make the contacts and that, but you just can't because there's people talking shit on there. CQDX, this is Risky Outpost, Queensland, Australia, looking for contact, CQDX. So even FM, since we're now allowed to use FM here in Australia, because, you know, we're such an arse backwards country, there's been a lot more FM coming through lately, so I don't know if that's to do with Skip or if people are actually using FM here in Australia now. It also doesn't help too, like I've only got a shitty homemade antenna that's like, that's it there, like look how close to the shed it is. So I'm thinking if I get 20 odd meters of RG58 and run it to this gum tree here, try and get it up high, a couple of connectors, get it out away from the shed, and you know it's got like a 2-story house blocking anything as well. Although I did wonder maybe if I, you know, maybe get 30 meters and run it out like from the shed over to one of these trees, but I don't know. It's $1.65 a metre for RG58. So I think if I just get 20 odd meters, run it from the corner of the shed up to there, see how that goes until I can afford a proper antenna, like a station master or something. I did have one years and years ago, but I had a little radio, and I actually had a Cobra 29, I don't know, 26 years ago, and it got stolen, so I just had it as a base station, got stolen, so I ended up just selling the antenna. CQ, this is Risky Outpost, Queensland, Australia, looking for contact, CQ. So like, I don't even know if I'm getting out there, like, if anybody's listening, I've had one contact with New Zealand a couple of months ago that heard me, but you're kind of hard when you're competing with guys that have got thousands of fucking watts too, so. Anyway, I'll jump off for now. Thanks for watching.